Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about the binary format in Java. So guys, let's have an integer value int I is equal to 2. Okay, so let's print out this value system dot out dot print line. Hey guys, here and let's run this. And you will see the result 2 here, but computer will understand the language of binary format, that 0 or 1. So if you want to print this in binary format, what will you do? You have to do use 0b to print this value, and here is the binary format, and now you will see the result. And what will be the result is 2. Okay, this is how binary works. And if you want to print let's say more, now what will be the result here? And result is 8, because 0 2 1 2 4 8, as like this. This is working out right now, and let's add some more 0, and what will be the result here? And 32. This is how binary format works in Java. You have to use 0b in front of the your value, and you can print out this in binary format. And so thank you so much for watching me right now. If you like this video, please do follow and subscribe me channel, me learn here. And thank you so much.